If our teeth were houses, do you think they'd stand the test of time? See, cavities act like termites trying to tear down our walls, and our jaw and tongue batter them like a constant storm. Without a stable oral foundation, we can experience cracked or damaged teeth, receding gums, and even headaches or neck and shoulder pain. If we only apply a cosmetic fix to these problems, they'll continue to occur. Fortunately, there are highly trained dentists like Dr. Bernie Villadiego who can not only eliminate cavities, but also fix the underlying cause of these problems. To see how, let's meet Mary. She's normally smiling, but feels worn down by a TMJ condition that now requires pain medication. After searching for a better solution, she finds out about a proven treatment method taught at the Stewart Center. She's excited because it works for all ages and is based on decades of research and clinical successes. The comprehensive approach takes into account the way our teeth, jaw joints, muscles, and nerves all work together to create a healthy, comfortable bite and a gorgeous smile. Mary starts a treatment program, receiving a customized, nearly invisible orthotic that fits comfortably over her upper teeth. Like other patients, she wears it 24/7 for a few weeks to align and center her jaw joint. And wow, Mary is amazed at how quickly her pain disappears. Dr. Villadiego stabilizes her bite by restoring her chipped and worn teeth and by replacing a few old crowns. After seeing Mary's results, her husband Bob decides it's time to fix his worn teeth and receding gums. With the right dental care, Mary and Bob are soon enjoying the healthy mouths and gorgeous smiles they always wanted. They both look and feel younger and now have more confidence than ever. And they sleep soundly now that Mary's pain-free. To learn how to strengthen your oral foundation, contact Dr. Villadiego today.